Hey guys, Mario from Diaco's Garden Nursery. Hope you're all well. We planted some of these lovely basil and tomato plants a while back. So today we're going to be harvesting this lovely produce and meeting up with Chef Guy Mirabella, who's going to be cooking up a storm. So I've got my goodies in here now. Let's go see Guy. Guy.
Hello Mario, how are you going?
Good, yourself?
Are these from yours?
Yeah,
They're
they certainly
beautiful,
are.
they're all lovely and wet too. And look, the dew on them,
Yep.
beautiful. Well done, come in.
Thanks, Guy.
We've got everything ready
Wow.
to cook with these lovely tomatoes and basil. They're going to be the heroes today in each of the dishes.
What do you reckon, Guy? Where do we start?
We might start with a caramelised onion and tomato tart. Why don't I get you to make it?
Oh, geez. Garlic? Do you have to chop it up or already done?
No, it's already done for you.
Even better.
So now all of these go in. Probably a cup of water. And to those tomatoes, I'll just add some basil, fresh basil from Mario's garden. The basil's gone in there. And then what I do is just blend it with a stick blender. What do I love about Italian cooking? Oh, the flavours. And just waiting for each season to arrive and ready to cook with beautiful fresh tomatoes like we are now and basil. So I'm just going to whip this ricotta, which is the whey cheese from the sheep when they're making the cheese. I haven't smelt basil like that since last summer. I'm just breaking that up bit by bit. The ricotta now with the basil has gone this beautiful kind of mint.
Oh, wow.
Green.
Look at that. Basil into
Just
that
basil
ricotta
to
has just
ricotta.
elevated that.
Yeah, oh, fantastic.
Nice.
Beautiful. Yeah, they've been plucked straight off the plant, so they're beautiful. Now this is Mario's basil that he's brought in. I'm just going to add these little leaves. We get some oil, drizzle that over the top. I'm just breaking the bread up. Dip into it, grab some tomatoes, grab some basil, and that's the ricotta and basil dip.
Wow.
Take this off now. Now I'm only roughly blending. I'm not trying to get a puree or anything like that. Oh, perfect. Pasta. So let's going in.
That's the reason why tomato and basil are my favourite, and you couldn't get a better example of it in this dish here.
It just reminds me of summers growing up. Bon appetit.
Bon appetit.
Bon appetit. Oh, wow. All right. Right, here we go, Mario.
Ready? We're going to do countdown. Go.
For a caramelised onion tart, but here I've added tomatoes, and I just love it. I love eating it.
This has been an absolute amazing journey. Thank you for having me
fun.
today. It's been fun. I think the last thing we need to do is have a nice mangiata outside and a glass of vino.
And a glass of vino. Definitely a glass of vino.
Yeah. Guys, until next time, ciao ciao.